In deep gratitude to God, to our parents, and to our teachers, we consecrate our lives to the noble task, helping our parents and of serving our country. We implore God Almighty that He may give us strength and courage to do our duties as leaders in our community, that we may always and at all times stand for what is true and just. We will work and fight for justice and liberty in our beloved Philippines, the law of God may reign supreme. Pledge of Alumni. I, Nicole Aliamay A. Linugaw, hereby solemnly pledge that I will do my best to implement and live up to the objectives and ideas of our associations. I will seriously and faithfully attend to all my roles and responsibilities as member of Nueva Vida Sur Elementary School Alumni Association. I humbly ask for guidance from the Lord in my thoughts, decisions, and actions. So help me God. Please take your seat.